Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can export Notion. So for that you need to select the page that you are looking to export, and suppose this is the page that I want to export. After opening it up, you need to go on the right hand side. On the top corner you will be able to see three dots. Just click on it, and there you will be able to see this option of export. Just click on it, and in the export format option you can click on it, and there will be a drop down menu. You can select the format in which you want it to be exported. It can be PDF, HTML, Markdown, and CSV. And as soon as you change them, relevant options will be provided to you. Suppose this is how Markdown and CSV options will look like. And if you want to export in PDF, then just select PDF. Then you can select the things that you want to be included in your export file, and page format can also be chosen. It can be A4, A3, and any other as per your choice. And after selecting all the options as per your requirements, you can just click on export and it will simply be exported. And that's how easy it is. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.